Today I will show you how to create these images and how to add motion on images for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can paste or type your prompt. You can use this prompt. Create a 3D realistic image. Wearing a couple in white casually on a wing-back chair wearing Real Madrid FC hoodie sneakers. And glasses, the boy looks ahead. The background features Dra Motion in big and captial gold in front on the white lighting wall. There should not be shadow, and wings should be added to make it appear as if he and she is an angel. You can change every word you want, and don't worry, I will put all prompt in description. Click on Create button. Click on Image to preview. Let's try another sample. If you want to download this, simply click on Download, and you will get image without any watermark. Now open CapCut. You also can use your smartphone, click on New Project, and select your image. Select your image and after that choose Style. In this section, find Motion and select 3D Zoom or 3D Zoom Pro. Click on Export bottom on the left top. And I want to this for another image.